green. Mean green, green bean, llama bean peas. Yes. Hi YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Bree. If you've never been here before, welcome. Today I'm feeling really festive, so I decided to color my locks a green color, and I will be using the Magic Collection Colorffect hair color wax, and it says that it's easy to rinse out. So if you guys are wanting to try out some color in your hair and kind of scared that it won't come out real good, just have no fear. Try out this brand. I've already tried it before in a different shade, and it works amazingly. So we're doing some lock hair coloring, and we're going to be using Colorffect by Magic Collection, and this is a lock safe hair wax. I've used it before in purple, and I know I didn't share it with you guys, but I will try it again and share it. Okay. I found this at my local beauty supply store for $5.99. It's by Magic Collection Colorffect hair color wax. And it says that it's easy to rinse out if you're looking for something that's going to go in real nice and smooth, look highly pigmented, but come out real nice and easy. Well, anyway, on to the point of the video. Today we're going to be using Magic Collection Colorffect hair wax to color my hair green. As you can see, I've already done a few strands. My job had an ugly Christmas sweater party at work, and I decided to do a few strands to be extra festive. Yes, because you know your girl gotta be extra. What's the holiday season without being festive? And I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, like 2020 basically took everything from me, spirit-wise. Like, I literally had to drag myself into getting into the Christmas spirit. But nonetheless, I'm finally in the Christmas spirit after like 1 million Christmas movies. Going to see the Christmas lights, decorating my Christmas tree, wrapping my gifts up, and my kids just hyping me up about the holiday season. I am here. So Merry Christmas Eve to you guys. And if you guys are watching this on Christmas Day, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa, whatever it is that you're celebrating. I hope that you guys enjoy it, and I hope that your family and loved ones are having a wonderful day with you guys. Alright, so let's get into the video. For $5.99, I was able to get a 4.05 ounce jar, which is plenty enough to do an entire head. The color is neon green. I bought this about a month ago. My children wanted green hair, so I was like, okay, let me go visit the hair store and figure out what is a safe way to dye their hair. Yeah, and I know most of you are like, you dyed your kids' hair green? Yes, I did. Number one, the color is temporary and it washes completely out and is safe for kids' hair. It washes completely 100% out on the first wash. How do I know this? Because I dyed my kids' hair green, and I'm going to share some pictures with you guys. So yeah, I did my son and my daughter's hair. Yeah. And they wore it for about 3 days, and they absolutely loved it. Green is both my children's favorite color. Surprisingly, both my kids like the same color, which makes shopping super easy. I just buy everything in green. I ain't got to worry about getting one for one child, other child. Just get one item if it's shareable and get it in green. Okay, so works out perfectly. First of all, disclaimer, I'm not a professional hair care expert. You're watching this strictly for entertainment purposes. Guys, this product can be applied on wet or dry hair. The locks that I done in the front were applied on dry hair. And right now my hair is currently dry, and it's gonna stay dry. So we're just gonna apply this right over top of the locks, and you can either use gloves or no gloves. I tend to use no gloves because I don't know where they are right now. I'm sorry, my house is flipped upside down right now. Yeah, I got 2 kids, you know, it happens. Yeah. Anyway, here we go. We're gonna twist the cap off like so. Like I said, I've already used this product, so this is what it looks like. I used almost half the container. I did both my kids' hair, and I did the few streaks that's in the front of my head, and we used half the container. Yeah, but I really do believe that this container can do an entire head of hair if you're wanting to dye all your hair. Let me use the correct terminology for somebody come for me, you know. Yeah, I don't want you guys to come for me because First of all, disclaimer, I'm not a professional hair care expert. I do my own hair and I do my son's haircuts and my daughter retwists for her locks. She has locks too. But other than that, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so you can either follow the advice, not follow the advice, leave some better advice in the comments. I'm all here for either or, but just know that I am not a professional and you're watching this strictly for entertainment purposes, okay? Here we go. So first off, I basically went with a highlight kind of look on my locks, and I focused more on the right side of my head. So I think with these, I'm gonna do a few on the left side. I don't want to do my entire head because that's not the look that I want. All right, so basically you just grab yourself a piece of hair, figure out where it is that you want to start. I do not put this on my roots or anywhere too close to my scalp because I have a sensitive scalp and I try not to put too many different products close there. But I mean, like, if you touch your scalp with this product and you don't have sensitive scalp, then you should be just fine. I actually put this onto my son's hair. He has a low haircut and his scalp was just fine, no irritation, nothing weird or wacky out the norm. And if you get this on your skin, have no fear. It comes right on off. All right, so that's one lock. And you can go over them a few times to make it even darker if that's the look that you want. Like I said, these over here I done yesterday around 5 p.m. and that's what they look like now. It's starting to kind of fade out. This color can last up to a week in your hair before it kind of looks like it's been washed out. My purple, I left it in for a week straight. Yeah, I know you guys are like, ew, you didn't wash your hair for a week straight. Yeah, I work a lot, so I didn't wash it out, and after 7 days, you couldn't even tell I had put the purple in. It just kind of absorbed. But whenever I did wash my hair, I did see it wash out down the drain. I saw purple pigment going down the drain. And this product feels like butter. I kid you not. It's very smooth, nice feeling, and it smells very nice. It kind of smells like soap or dish liquid, but like a very nice, pleasant soap dish liquid. It didn't make any sense, but you guys get what I'm saying. It smells clean. Bruh. It doesn't smell chemically. Maybe your soap or dish liquid does smell real chemically. I don't know. But mine smells like really light and flowery. I forgot what dish liquid we're using right now, but I like the smell. This smells really nice. It smells clean. So if somebody gets real close to your hair, they're gonna be like, oh, your hair smells good and it looks good. You are dope. Your hair looks nice and it smells nice. You are wonderful. I said I wasn't gonna put any on the right side, y'all. I just went over here anyway. But I'm definitely not doing my whole head. That's not the look I'm going for. I'm just going for like hints of color here and there, more of a highlighted kind of look. This is giving me Grinch green vibes, you guys. Broccoli vibes, you guys. Green leaves on trees vibes. Grass vibes. Green light vibes. This is giving me all the green vibes. Money vibes. I'm loving it so far, man. I'm loving it. I actually put it a little bit too close to that scalp, but nonetheless, it'll be all right. You can always take like a damp cloth and wipe it off if you don't like where it's at. And also, you guys, this is what's really cool. Like I said, you can put this on wet hair. You can either let it air dry or you can blow dry it. The directions on the bottle, can, whatever you want to call it. Don't really like a bottle, jar. It says that you can blow dry. So if you don't like that kind of wet feeling that it gives you once you put it on, because your hair is going to feel wet once it's applied. It's going to be like a little damp, cold feeling. If you don't like that feeling, then put it with the blow dryer. Okay, I'm going to do one more, and then we're going to stop right here. Okay, you guys, so I'm all finished. That's as much as I'm going to apply because I don't want an entire green head. I just want like a few. I like the way that the black and the green looks together. Just look like highlights. I love that look, you guys. I'm loving it. So anyway, this is it for now. I'm gonna go ahead and let it dry, and I'll come right back and show you guys. This is what my hands look like before I wash them, okay? All right, so this is what the hands look like. I'm about to go wash them, okay? And show you guys that it does rinse off. You're not gonna have to worry about your nails turning green or anything gross and having Grinch fingers. You're not gonna have to worry about that. Or having hands like the Green Lantern. Yeah, you're not gonna have to worry about that because it will wash off. I'll be right back. So I just washed my hands and they're all clean. Do y'all see green? I don't see any green. Only green I see is on my head, you guys. Mean green. Yes, honey. Mean green, green bean, llama bean peas. Yes. Thought of some more green for you guys, okay? So, yeah, here we go. I'm gonna give you guys the spin around. But not in that way. I'm gonna give you the good spin around. I'm gonna give you the view of the hair. And this is the final look. So, it's pretty bright, but like I said, by the next day it will fade. And if you read the jar, it says that the color will not transfer unless it is damp. So once you let it fully dry, it shouldn't bleed onto any clothes or anything, you know, that you don't want it to transfer and bleed onto. This is how it looks with the middle part. And I do not have a fresh retwist, so do not judge. I'm gonna show you guys like different ways to style this. And like when I say style, I'm just showing you different ways of it being down. So it looks pushed back and brought to the front. How it looks with the side part. So this is just me just playing around with it, just seeing what it will look in different directions and different styles. So this completes the look for the green hair. Let me know in the comments what you think about it and if you'll be trying it. If you won't be doing green, what color would you do? And what color should I try next? I already have the purple here at home. I know for sure that I'm gonna do a video with the purple one. I can't resist. I love purple. Purple is one of my favorite colors. So just be on the lookout for the purple hair color video. Also, I did record a couple videos this week that I would love for you guys to look at if you have a chance. I have an unboxing video where I ordered dolls kills and I have thigh-high boots, you guys, for 25 bucks. I mean, it was a steal and they are gorgeous. So I'm gonna add that link up above somewhere. So just be on the lookout for that. And if you have time, make sure you go watch it. And I also have a boxing of my first paparazzi order. Yes. My next video will be an unboxing of some boots that I ordered. I'm not gonna spoil it and tell you guys what I ordered, but definitely make sure that you subscribe and make sure you hit the notification bell down below, because if you hit the bell, you'll get the notification as soon as I drop that video, so you won't miss out on seeing it. As always, you guys, make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. And I love comments. I always read my comments. So if you have anything encouraging or anything that you would like to share with me, let me know down below. And I forgot to ask you guys, how was your Christmas Eve? Oh my goodness, like mine was pretty much hectic. I have a second video that I'm recording today, and today is Christmas Eve, and that will let you guys know how my Christmas Eve is going, because it's kind of wacky. Yeah. Well, anyways, thank you for watching. Bye. I'm definitely feeling this green hair, you guys. As you can tell, I can't stop myself from posing like this. If only my locks grew green. This kind of makes me want to do rainbow locks. I want like every color. I should do that, shouldn't I, you guys? If I should try out rainbow locks, let me know down in the comments below. Colorffect is your new, untraditional temporary hair color solution. Used with only the best ingredients that result in fabulous color and undamaged hair. Pick your favorite single shade or even mix the colors to find your perfect shade with Colorffect. This can actually be used on wet or dry hair. That's what I love about it. I've actually tried the purple color on wet hair, and this color right here I've used on dry hair. if your hair is mid-back length or shorter. If you're going to color your entire hair and your hair is longer than mid-back length, you may need 2 jars. I do believe that this jar would cover mid-back length hair. If you're going to use it on wet hair, it says rub the desired amount of Colorffect on your palms and fingers and then glide through the desired area and apply, repeat until completed. Let hair naturally dry or use the dryer to set the color. This product will not transfer until water is added. Remove with a single wash. So it says that this color will come out with just 1 single wash. You don't need to do multiple washes to have it come out. It's highly pigmented. It can be applied on wet or dry hair. And if you're going to do this on damp hair, you can let it air dry or you can blow dry. It doesn't matter. And the product is very nice. I mean, like, you guys, this color is gorgeous. Color is neon green. Here's more details if you guys would like to order it. This is their social media details if you'd like to go find them. Twitter or Instagram is at Magic Collection at 1984. This is what it looks like with the lid off. I've already used some of it. I done my kids' hair and I'm going to post pictures. It turned out absolutely adorable. Buying this color was actually their idea. I hope that you like my content and that you subscribe to the game.